Namaste. Welcome to Vandana's art class. Today we are going to learn Wish tree or Kalpvraksh, which is mentioned in almost every religion. And they say that Kalpvraksh will fulfill all our wishes. So let's start the drawing of Kalpvraksh and then we will paint it. I hope you will like the session. So let's start. First, as we all know, in Madhubani painting, border is very important. Also for framing, we have to leave some space. So I'm leaving this space. Then first line, second line for border, and then we have our third line. Same pattern we are going to follow on all the four sides. And we will take the compass and pencil and we will find the midpoint of the paper. So my inner width is 24, so at 12 my tree should be drawn at around 12. So I will draw the tree here and so our basic drawing is ready. Now we are going to draw the leaf. This we will show two circles and patches. Very simple border. So first we are giving brown color, whichever brown you have or any other light color. If you want to give, if you are painting with light color, then please draw Kachni with dark color. If you are painting with dark color, then you draw Kachni with light color. So to draw Madhubani rock, we will draw 3 layers. This is done. Now here we can show some lotuses because we are drawing only tree of life. If wish tree. If we were drawing tree of life, then we will draw fishes, turtle, anything. In the tree, we are going to draw black outline. I'm taking orange and yellow. We can take any color of our choice, and we have this Scotch-Brite. Okay, and take any sponge. All of us have waste sponge. Just put it in a stick. So I'll show you a little bit here. On this sponge or Scotch-Brite, again in pure Madhubani, this won't be done. I'm making contemporary, so teaching you this method. Now take this, okay, and apply it at different places. We have to be little careful that our color is not going in the center. It's only here. And if it is too big, what we can do, we can use a sponge, but texture will be better with the piece of Scotch-Brite. So like this, we will take two colors. Again, I'll show you here. We have to be very careful on the edges. If you cannot do with this, then you can do dabbing. And it will give you a nice texture. So here, we are giving green color coating of paint outside the tree in this circle to give a contemporary look. In real Madhubani, background has to be white. Here we are drawing the outline, and then inside, if you want, you can leave only this much. Otherwise, if you want, please draw the full line. In Madhubani, there are no half lines. Here also, we'll draw the outline. Okay, now let's come to this part. As usual, we'll have black outline. and in between I want to fill red color. Crimson red it is. We can leave it like this, or we can do Kachni on it with any color. Now I'm going to draw the design on the tree. I show you the Kachni design here. So we can draw with white or any other light color. I'm using yellow color. We have less space, so if we want, we can draw this design also, but otherwise we can draw only this much. We have to give black outline, but we will wait for this blue and yellow to dry. Then only we can draw the black outline. Leaving it white, and I will do Kachni with the black color. But I have to wait for these colors to get dry. So let me summarize